this video, we are going to understand the topic active and passive voice, and then we are going to discuss how to convert a transitive passive voice into a transitive active voice. Now, in English, there are two types of voices. First is the active voice and second is the passive voice. Active voice is considered as that voice which is directly used to point out to the object, and it is a simple form of a sentence. But when we convert an active voice into a passive voice, which means that we kind of mold the sentence and then we present the sentence is then in an indirect form rather than being in a direct form. So now we are going to understand how to convert a passive voice with transitive word to active voice with transitive word. So before converting, first we need to identify whether our sentence is in passive form with the transitive word. So first we will discuss the rule to identify if our sentence is in passive form with transitive verb. So rule for passive is our sentence will always begin with a subject. So I will say subject plus is, am, are, was, were, be, being, etc. Remember that whenever we are using transitive verb in passive voice, then our helping verbs or the auxiliary verbs will be either is, am, are, or was, or were, or be, or being, plus the third form of verb and followed by an object. Or before object, we can also add by, because by is always used to represent a passive voice. If there is by in our sentence, then we are almost sure that the sentence is in passive form. So now example of this can be chocolates were given by my friend. Now subject over here is my chocolates. Out of is, am, were. Now if there is a helping verb were, then I know that were is used for past tense, which means that my sentence is in past tense. If I say chocolates are given, which means that this is my present tense, but instead of are I am using were, so I am sure that the sentence is in past tense. Given, the third form of give is given by. My friend over here is the object. Now one important rule is that whenever we are converting from one voice to another, either we are converting passive to active or active to passive, the subject and object will interchange their positions while conversion, and accordingly a meaningful sentence will be formed. So here, if my subject is chocolate in passive form, for active, chocolates will be my object, and if my friend is the object in passive sentence, then for active, my friend will be the subject. So now I am converting from passive voice to active voice. So rule for active voice is, again, a sentence will always begin with a subject. So I will say subject plus is, am, are is not used. Is, am, are is only used in passive voice. When we are converting to active, we eliminate this term. We will simply say subject plus first form of verb or we can also say third form of verb, because here we are not directly focusing on the sentence. We are focusing on the transitive verbs, and transitive verbs are given all the third form of verbs, right? So subject plus first form of verb, or we can say third form of verb, followed by an object. So I say subject plus first form of verb or the third form plus object. Here if it is in past tense, then I will use the third form of verb for active voice as well. Now my subject I told will be my friend. So I'll say my friend gave, second form. Chocolates were given by my friend. My friend gave chocolates. So in this way, I have converted a passive sentence to an active sentence with transitive verbs. Now this was the first example. The second example can be this dress was brought by Sneha. This dress was brought by Sneha. Now was and brought and by, I know that my sentence is in passive form because the rule completely matches over here. So from this rule I am clear that this dress is my subject. Out of all these helping words I am making use of was, which means that I am using a past tense. Brought is a third form of verb. By and Sneha over here is my object. So now, while converting to active voice, my subject and object will interchange their positions. So now the subject Sneha will become the object Sneha will become the subject in active. So I say Sneha brought, and my subject in passive is this dress. Now this dress will become the object for my active sentence. So this dress. So Sneha brought this dress. In this way I have converted my passive sentence, which was in transitive verb, to my active sentence with transitive verb. So in this video we have first discussed about active and passive voice in brief, and then we have understood how to convert a passive voice with transitive verb to active voice with transitive verb. Then we also made use of the rules to convert the sentences from passive to active voice with transitive verb.